Hi, I'm Sean Hobson, one of 3M's authorized trainers. We've all been there, haven't we? We're trying to determine what is the best window film product for the customer that's in front of us. Well, to better meet their needs, we need to be able to offer 3M's complete line of our leading window film products: obsidian, ceramic IR, and crystalline. Hopefully being able to move them to the higher end films, which will equal more money and ultimately grow your business. Of course, to do that, your installers will need to be up to speed on the heat shrinking techniques for installing the various films. Our goal is to make sure they know the proper way to do it. To find out more about this topic or to become an authorized 3M dealer, follow the link or feel free to give us a call.